Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make a sweet potato soup. We've got some very simple ingredients in there. It's delicious, it's hearty, it's tasty, vegetarian, and it's vegan. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients for this wonderful sweet potato soup. So, star of the show is right there, our sweet potatoes. Now, what I've done with my sweet potatoes is I've just washed them, with a kind of scouring pad. I didn't peel them, and then just cut any little bits off. So I've got like sort of 3 or 4 cups of sweet potato there. Regular potatoes, I've got 2 cups. Carrots, 2 cups. I've done the same with the carrots as well, just give them a good scrub. Same again with onion, 2 cups. 1 cup of celery. 1 large tablespoon, so maybe a tablespoon and a half of garlic there. I want that to really push out in the flavours here. And here I've got 2 teaspoons of a paprika. This is a smoked paprika, gives it a wonderful, wonderful flavour. Salt, pepper, touch of oil, and some stock or water. It's going to be done. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so you're going to need a large pot with a lid. And in here I've got a little bit of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using something else. Now, this is super easy. Here we go. In go the onions. In go the sweet potatoes. In go the carrots. In goes that celery. In goes the regular potato. In goes the garlic. And I told you this was easy, this one. In goes the smoked paprika. Now if you wanted, try and use something else. You could use some chili powder, you could use tarragon, rosemary, a little bit of curry if you wanted. Anything goes really. I'm just going this direction. Some black pepper, some salt. Now we're on a medium heat, or just above a medium heat. Let's just throw this around in the pan for like 4 or 5 minutes just to get it started. Very, 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 very easy. Okay, there we go. So we've just softened the vegetables a little bit and got all those lovely flavours together. Simply, you need to add some liquid now. Now I'm going to be using some vegetable stock. You could be using just water if you wanted, or you could go chicken stock, something like that. Here we go, boiling hot. So just enough to cover it by a centimetre or so. Pop the lid on that and let it go now. This one's going to go for like 15 to 20 minutes on a kind of just below medium heat. What we're looking for is super soft baby food type vegetables. Then we're going to liquidize it. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat. Off comes the lid. Out comes the steam. And we've got really, really soft vegetables there, like super, will break with a fork. Now we need to liquidize it. Now you could stick this in a food processor if you want. I've got one of these fellows, which is a submergible liquidizer. If you haven't got one of these, go and buy one. They're massively cheap. I mean, some of them are really cheap, some expensive, but yeah, they don't cost that much at all. And we use it loads. They're really, really handy little things. So that's going to go in, liquidize. I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Super easy that is. It's a lovely colour here. Check that for salt. You might want to check the seasoning on that. It's going to be good for me. Now I'm just going to end this off with a little bit of cilantro, or you could be using some fresh parsley or something like that. Give that a mix and you've got yourself a really, really nice sweet potato soup. If you wanted, I'm keeping this vegan, but if you wanted, you could add a little bit of fresh cream into that. Or if you want to keep it vegan and add a little cream, you could add a little bit of coconut milk in there. But I'm keeping it just straight like that. Super happy. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon just below. We will see you very soon. Lots of love.